Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Ipsy unbagging for April 2019, and I think I've got add-ons in here. Actually, I should have had add-ons in the Ipsy box that I posted too, but they forgot to put it in, but they already sent me an email saying, we know we forgot this, so I should get it separately soon. So here's hoping my add-ons are in here. How are you guys doing today? I'm trying something new with my hair, and now that I'm seeing it on camera, I'm not loving it. But I feel like I'm tired of the part and I want to try something new. So let's get in here and see what I've got. I feel things on the outside, but that doesn't mean they're add-ons. They could just be, oh, but there are several things. They could just be too big for my bag. So in the bag, we have my adorable lemon cosmetics case that in theory has my products in it, and I see one product that wouldn't fit in here, and my two add-ons. In case you don't know, Ipsy GlamBag is a $10 per month subscription. You get 5 sample products, and you can do add-ons now, either $3 or $12 add-ons that they give you access to on the 2nd of each month. Or for $25, you can do the Ipsy GlamBag Plus box, and you receive 5 full-size products. Or you can do what I do and receive both. I may eventually wean it down to only one, but the products are so different in both that I really hate to give this up because I like the little bags and I like the little sample products we get, so we'll see how it goes. But let's get in here and see what I've got. Let's start with my add-ons on the outside first. And, okay, so my first add-on is the Vasanti Eye Blending Brush. I added this because I have a brush addiction. Hi, my name is Catherine. I have a brush addiction. And I just can't ever have enough. I thought it was going to be a little fluffier than this, but that doesn't matter. I have little eyes, so even the less fluffy ones work for me because of the corners, and it gives me a little more room to play. Sometimes when the blending brushes are super big, I don't have enough space to blend. I have such a short eye space. All right. And my other add-on is actually for the giveaway. When I saw this offered, I had to do it, and it is the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. I think they said it had like a $35 value, which I was taken aback by. Maybe it was $25, but I really want to say they said $35. But I'm not going to open this and swatch it because, like I said, it's going straight into my giveaway. So those were my 2 add-ons for this month. Also on the outside of my nice lemon bag was this nice brush, which is one of my products. That is the Firma 103. And it's an angled, I guess probably contour brush. I didn't get it back. I didn't get let me double check. Didn't get the paper that tells me what I got and the value of it. We usually get that now in our glam bags, right? Yeah, I didn't get it. Interesting. So I'm gonna guess that this is an angled contour brush because yeah, I feel like that's probably what I'm gonna use it for. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it that so I don't ever have to feel bad about it. Like it. Okay, let's get in here and see what actually fit in my pretty lemon bag. First, I have the IT Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. I have actually used this. I had a full-size one that I got from QVC that I used to the very end of, and I have to tell you, I think that thing lasted a year. It takes so little of this. Oh, and I got it in Fair Light, and I'm Fair Light. So that's one thing that I absolutely love about Ipsy. And it's a tiny little, I think it's a 1.5 ml, which is tiny, but like I said, the full-size one lasted forever. So even though this is tiny, I bet it lasts quite some time. It takes so little, as I recall. See that tiny little dot? Looks like it's going to be a nice concealer color for me. And it just smooths right out. It gets a little tacky to it, but I usually, well, I don't really bake. I don't leave it sitting there because I'm far too impatient for that, but I usually do heavy powder, let it sit for a minute, and then just dust it away because I have such bad under eye circles. But it's a great color for me, and I like it very much. So that's a great thing. It'll be great for travel. I'm using the Fenty under eye concealer right now, but that'll be great for travel. Next in the bag, we have the Hikari Honeydew Cream Pigment. That's a great color. It would be great for covering up your whole lid, except for it's a shimmer, and I cannot do that with a shimmer. But it's got nice shine to it. It picks up kind of nice. It's nice and shiny. Let's see if we can get this super light color to show on me. Hope you guys are getting that. It is so shiny here in person, and it's so smooth that I would try and use that as a highlighter. I like that a lot. Very nice. Okay, and last but not least, well, we'll circle back to that. I have the Delectable Body Butter Triple Citrus Blend. So it's a nice body cream. It's a good size too. It's a full fluid ounce. Has a seal on it. Don't be silly. I love them when they're a good enough size that you can actually stick them in your purse and have them for a while. And this is going to be a perfect, you know, I keep hand lotion everywhere because I just love it. It takes so much to keep my hands moist. I know. It's nice and thick. Boy, I might like this. This might not go in my purse. This might go next to my nightstand for an all over body. It's nice. Oh, and it smells beautiful. Very citrusy. Almost, I'm going to keep doing this and you people are going to be like, she's so old. Because I know in one I did, I just said, oh, it smells like cold cream. This one just smells kind of like it makes me think of 70s citrusy incense. I know that sounds weird, but it's a really pretty smell. Okay, so my bag is empty. And I only have 4 products, which means they haven't sent me something. I think that's what it means because I always get 5 products. Now I can get online. I don't get online to see what they're going to send me because I don't want to know, because when I unbag with you guys, I want it to be a surprise. But I have the Delectable Body Butter, the Hikari Cream, the Angled Brush, and the It Bye Bye Under Eye, which is only 4 samples. And you know I should have 5 because I have the add-ons of the Visanti brush and the, I put it back in its bag, and the Ofra concealer, but those 2 were add-ons. So I am clearly missing a product. So I will get online and try and put in the description what they say. I've never missed a product before. This was an interesting month for Ipsy because in my Ipsy box, I had a broken blush palette. And it was supposed to have an add-on that they didn't send me, but they sent me an email before they ever shipped the box saying, we know we forgot this and we're going to send it. In all fairness, I haven't gotten it yet, and that's been at least a week or 2. And now I'm missing a full product from my Ipsy GlamBag. I wonder if they have a new means of production. Interesting. How was your month? Please comment below. Did you get all of your products? Are we still getting 5? I'm sure we're still getting 5. Did you get all 5 of your products? Did you like what you got? Did you get what I got, or did you get completely different things? Let me know. Okay, guys, I will look into it. Like I said, I will put it below in the description, let you know what they said, what I should have had that I didn't get. And I will see you next time. Please like, subscribe. Like I said, comment below. Did you get everything of yours? And I will see you very soon. Bye, guys.